shaped by sound. This is the poem that I wrote for Poet Laureate competition for Lincolnshire. I was very surprised to have been chosen as the winner of this competition, and my poem is motivated mainly by morning walking. The sod beneath my feet has absorbed the ploughman's tread. Boots softened by creak and bend, one leg always higher. His clicking tongue called commands. War! Turn! Furrows run deep in fenlands. The weight of horses' shoes in dented clay, harrow and plough have cut through earth, sparked limestone, ridge and furrow have written their own psalms. Bird song, crow, cuckoo, peewit, skylark, each composed chorus for sunrise, ceaselessly calling through changing seasons, invisible winds, breezes, storms, howling gales, lifted and shifted topsoil, sculptured willow, hawthorn, hedges, oak and ash to a sacred grove, defining enclosure, boundaries, right of way. Ancient towers and steeples have absorbed the prayers of my ancestors. I hear them in my mind's ear, clear as village church bells. Dikes and ditches, diverted watercourses, pushed back the sea, reclaim the land where green mists still rise. All flow with their own rhythm like migrant geese, leaving and returning. This is my county. This is Lincolnshire.